You know that time that you need to put the same titles on multiple sheets and you basically just copy and paste? Let me give you a quite cool tip on how you can do that a bit quicker and easier. First thing I need to do is to move my video out of the way because I need to be able to see the sheet tabs. So let's create a few tabs. It should catch up with me. There we shoot 2, 3, and we'll just do 4. So here's the process. Out of habit, I click on sheet 1 just because I can. I'm holding down the shift key and I'm going to click on my last sheet tab now, and you can see all of the tabs now go white to indicate that I've selected all of them. I can now, on my first tab, whichever one I'm on, actually start to put in all of my titles. So let's say first name, surname, magnet, follow up, call booked. And of course I still need to actually resize the columns to make them fit properly, so let's tidy everything up. And it's because it's my titles, I'm going to make them bold, and I think we'll make them italic just to make it a bit nicer. That still doesn't look quite right to me, so let's just resize. Click away so you can see it a bit easier. Just resize it a little bit. And okay, I'm now happy with that. And you're thinking, okay, that's great, Michelle, but now what? Well, if I actually click onto a different sheet tab, you can see that it takes off my grouping. I'm now on an individual sheet tab, but more importantly, all of my tabs, all of my sheets have exactly the same titles. So I've done it once and it's automatically put that onto all of the different sheets that I've had selected for me. Quick and easy. Hi, I'm Michelle. I'm your tech trainer, here to help you use your everyday computers quickly, easily and without any stress. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget, if you'd like to be notified of more videos as they're released, please subscribe and choose how often you want the notifications.